In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best wireless backup cameras in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which wireless backup cameras is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Yakry Backup Camera Wireless. Newly updated dual antenna wireless backup cam with distinct specialized electronic signals antenna design as well as the most up-to-date 2021 electronic signal chip. The rear sight electronic camera can send out 1080p videos to the display screen using the more powerful signal. The signal can get to 360 feet in an open location and also work on lorry range under 220 feet. Dual antenna RV backup camera is far better than various other single antenna automobile backup video cameras in security, signal transmission distance, longevity, and also power. The wireless functioning variety is as much as 220 feet without interference. It can be videotaped as well as has a recording feature. You can wire the system for reversing or rear sight or full-time constantly sight, appropriate for a motor home, fifth wheel, truck, trailers, campers, bus and also various sort of lorries. We give the place for installing the RV cam on the side. HD 1080p wireless video camera with IP69 waterproof with 150 degrees broad seeing angle with 18 infrared lights. Very easy to install. Here is the item number 4, BOSCAM Wireless Backup Camera. Secure digital wireless signal, K7 makes use of an electronic cordless signal, so you can watch your rear dead spot without interference and flicker. The cordless variety 33 feet is large enough to make it collaborate with a series of daily automobiles. Clear, top quality images, 5 TFT LCD display has sufficient detail, contrast as well as color precision to distinguish items, which aids details pop. The images on the screen are clear and also understandable, so you understand you are securely turning around. Easier installment, K7 utilizes digital cordless innovation to transfer the signal in between the display as well as the cam. Thus you don't need to run cables from front to rear, which are many irritating parts of electrical wiring. It would certainly conserve your time as well as make the electrical wiring far easier. Flexible reverse camera, you can choose the standard and also change the angle of the camera up or down to fit your lorry. As the very same standard and angle aren't optimal for both a low-to-the-ground sedan and a taller SUV. The item number 3, AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup. Save $200 in 5 minutes as do-it-yourself, no drilling, no electrical wiring, or no expert setup required. To mount this cordless backup cam kit, the only tool you require is a screwdriver. Conserve the setup fee of approximately $200. Powered by the sunlight, Solar One preserves a charge with sunlight. You are only required to bill it yearly with half an hour of sufficient sunlight direct exposure per day. Also in the stormy period, the totally charged battery can last for 2 months of typical usage 2-3 times each day. Safe car park at low light evening, Solar One has an exceptional low light vision. Even in a completely dark atmosphere, you can reverse or park easily, as well as securely under a low light source like your reversing lights. Secure and real-time photos, the 2.4G cordless digital frequency hopping modern technology avoids it from various other cordless signals interference, like radio, Bluetooth, or mobile phones. The high-resolution sensing unit and 6-glass lens guarantees high-def as well as smooth photo quality. High compatibility for several vehicle types. The signal transmission distance of Solar One is much enough, so it fits not just little vehicles but additionally one of the most medium-sized vehicles such as pickup trucks, cargo vans, and the little classes of RVs less than 33 feet. Number 2 in our list, AUTOVOX Wireless Backup Camera. Stable and also vibrant picture with electronic wireless transmission, CS2 delivers a secure picture with no disturbance from various other signals such as Bluetooth. Equipped with a PC1058 sensing unit, the video camera offers a vibrant image, which restores what you see behind your vehicle directly. Accuracy top priority for auto parking. The larger the video camera angle is, the more image distortion you get when the angle is over 110 degrees, which makes 110 degrees golden angle for car parking. Along with the flexible vehicle, parking lines fit various heights. Video camera installation places make CS2 a relied on auto parking aid. Ideal video camera. The waterproof requirement of this electronic camera is IP68. The greatest and most affordable temperature resistance is -4 degrees Fahrenheit 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and also the lumen score is 0.1 at reduced light night. Consequently, whether it is warm or rainy, warm or cool, day or night, the camera always executes well. The top one in our list, LeeKooLuu LK3 backup camera. Plug and play, extremely very easy installation. The system is powered by connecting to turnaround lights for usage when the car remains in reverse gear, or can be powered by straight linking to a 12-volt source fuse box or cigarette lighter, PowerPoint, ignition button for constant usage. Updated IP69 waterproof. High performance water resistant, never ever fret about water inside the cam. Color HD certificate plate electronic camera, with 149 level viewing angle and 6 white LED lights offer crystal clear color both in the evening and also day. The camera is attached to check using the direct cable offered. Multifunctional 4.3-inch LCD show menu. You can adjust the auto parking line size, moving left, right, up, or down to make it fits for the real condition. You can additionally transform it off if you do not want it. The photo can be flipped between the mirror as well as the encounter. You can utilize the camera as a back camera or front cam optional. 4.3-inch LCD display screen furnished with magnetic bracket. You can revolve at 360 levels, can place the display on dashboard or windscreen. Setup instructions are included. Digital high-definition picture CPU will certainly present remarkable night vision, approximately 30 feet in complete darkness. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best wireless backup cameras amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.